You don't have a lust problem. You have a direction problem. An undisciplined mind looks for quick pleasure. A focused man builds a powerful life. Right now, you're choosing seconds of escape over years of strength. That ends today. Step 1. Remove the triggers. Your brain is shaped by exposure. What you see repeatedly becomes desire. If temptation lives in your pocket, self-control never stands a chance. Delete the apps, block the pages, clean your digital world. Make discipline the easy option. Step 2. Exhaust your body. Stored energy turns into restless urges. A still body creates a noisy mind. Train hard, lift heavy, run far, push past comfort. When your body is drained, your thoughts slow down. Intensity leaves no space for distraction. Step 3. Interrupt the pattern. Urges run on autopilot. Same place, same time, same action. Break the loop. The second it starts, move. Change your room, change your posture. Cold water, deep breaths, walk fast. Pattern broken, power regained. Step 4. Raise your standards. Weak habits survive in low standards. Ask yourself one question. Is this what a disciplined man does? Identity kills temptation faster than willpower. When you respect yourself, cheap habits feel expensive. Step 5. Build an obsession. Lust fades when purpose burns. Empty men chase pleasure. Driven men chase progress. Learn skills, make money, build strength. Wake up with a mission, sleep with results. This isn't about resisting urges, it's about becoming someone they can't control. 1 year of discipline can erase 10 years of regret. Choose growth, choose discomfort, choose the harder path. And one day, you won't be fighting lust, you'll be too busy becoming unstoppable.